Hi there, my name's Jeremy. Are you struggling to be a trader? Would you like to have results like you see here on the screen? I'm sure you would. Well, if you're interested in trading, but you don't know where to start, or maybe you're a little bit stuck with your strategy, or maybe you just don't know what to start trading with, well, below this video, you're going to find a link, and that's going to take you over to a little Google survey. That survey is there for me to collect questions about you. I'm not going to collect your email address. I don't need your name or anything like that. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to make videos based on those answers. So if you want to get help, then videos are going to be completely free. You answer that survey honestly, then subscribe to this channel. If you want to get help with your trading and you want to take your trading to the next level, or you're just starting out, then make sure you complete that survey for me, and I will make all the videos that you need and give you all the training you need so that you become a successful trader. You have an amazing day, and thanks very much. And as you can see, there's not that many questions for you to answer. Okay, so I'll see you in another video. You have an amazing day. I look forward to your answers. Bye now.